Hey, what's up guys? Rafi here. Hope you guys are staying safe and you're all healthy. You saw on my Instagram stories I was converting some old VHS tapes to a digital format or on my computer. A lot of people were asking questions on like how I was doing this and if I could teach them. Let's just get right into it and I'll show you exactly what I've done. So I switched real quick to the handheld camera view, but wanted to run down exactly what you'll need. I have a VHS player. This I took from my parents' house and I brought all the cords with it, but specifically you need the male connectors for the RCA cords. This is white, red, and yellow. White, red are audio outputs. Yellow is the video output. You do need this. And then, of course, you'll need a laptop. And then lastly, this is the adapter. This is the adapter converter device that I bought off of Amazon. I've seen this on YouTube. It was only $20. It says video DVR. I've seen on YouTube other versions of it, but it has the USB side and then it has the RCA cable side. So it has your audio, your video, white and red audio, your yellow video, and then also a S video for certain VHS recording devices. The VCR is just connected to power normal setup, and again, male RCA cables, if I can show the back real quick, are connected to the VCR. One last thing. When you buy this, it does come with this cable, which is where you plug this adapter into this side, and you can plug the USB into the laptop. And that's so that there's, I guess, more room on your laptop because this is a bit wider. What I found out is, at least on mine, that didn't work. It didn't allow me to record. QuickTime always said the operation could not be completed. So let's go ahead and get started with step one, plugging everything in. So I'm just gonna take the male cords and plug it into the adapter. Then you just take your USB side, plug it into the laptop. You can turn on the VCR now, grab the VHS tape. So I'm gonna press rewind on the VCR. First, we're gonna open up Quicktime Player. And you come to file and you want to go to new movie recording, and you can already see this blue screen because the VCR is on right now. What you want to do next to the record button is press the little drop down arrow, and it'll show you the camera that it's using. So the first thing it might show you is FaceTime camera, but automatically for me, because I've been doing it already, is showing the adapter. It says AV to USB 2.0. It'll default to internal microphone, but have it to this one because that is how the audio from your video will get recorded as well. So let's get started. Your video again is already at the very beginning. You can have the speaker all the way up so that way you can hear at least that the audio is recorded with the video. Basically, you press record here, and then now your video is starting to record. You can press stop recording, and then you have your video. You go to file, save, and this is where you will export it. You give it a name, and then you essentially find where you want to save it. I put it on my external hard drive. We'll click save and it'll start saving right now. All right, so that's pretty much it. You have the digital file now of your VHS tape. It'll be in a .mov file. That's Apple's video format. I did record a hour-and-a-half video, and that was roughly 23 gigs. So, but other than that, yeah, it's pretty simple. If you have any errors or questions or you run into some issues, just write it in the comments or DM me on Instagram. I'll try to help out as much as I can if I know what's going on. But I'm just doing the same thing you guys are doing, and I thought I'd give a short how-to, and hopefully this is really helpful. Peace out.